GATE 2023, question number 11. These are all English verbal questions. I'm going to give you the answer. Which word below best describes the idea of being both spineless and cowardly? The answer is pusillanimous. Okay, answer is A. 12, GATE 2023. Choose the right preposition to fill up the blank. The whole family got together at Diwali. B. 3. Question number 13. Select the correct option to fill in the blanks to complete the passage. The disheartening factor, okay, dash factor amid this turbulence has been the dash of high-octane action-oriented films such as, so RRR, KGF, Chapter 2 and Pushpa, they were huge hits. So the redeeming factor amid this turbulence has been the outperformance of high-octane action-oriented films such as This Is This in the south of the country. Traditionally, films made in the south have done well in their own area or in their own geographies, but increasingly their dubbed versions have performed well in the Hindi heartland with collections which are better than those of the Bollywood collections, eclipsing those of their Bollywood counterparts. The answer by far and very easily seen is B, Bombay. GATE 2023, question number 14. The following passage consists of 6 sentences. The first and the 6th sentences of the passage are at their correct positions, while the middle 4 sentences represented by 2, 3, 4 and 5 are jumbled up. Choose the correct sequence of the sentences so that they form a coherent paragraph. Most obviously, mobility is taken to be a geographical as well as a social phenomenon. Obviously, it won't start with 5. Moreover, further I'm concerned. Okay, let's take a look at the 6. I show that sociology's recent developments of a sociology of objects needs to be taken further, and that the diverse flows of objects across societal borders and their intersections with the multiple flows of people are hugely significant. So sociology of objects has to come right before 6. Yeah, look at 5. Moreover, not only people are mobile, but so too are many objects. So this object will precede immediately number 6. So number 6 is saying this. So number 5 will come just before number 6. It's there in only one option. So it's not actually jumbled up. It's this option. Now, if you take a look at this, much of the social mobility literature regarding society as a uniform surface and failed to register the geographical intersections of region, city and place with the social categories of class, gender and ethnicity. The existing sociology of migration is incidentally far too limited in its concerns to be very useful here. Further, I'm concerned with the flows of people within, but especially beyond the territories of each society and how these flows may relate to many different desires for work, housing, leisure, religion, family relationships, criminal gain, asylum seeking, and so on. Moreover, not only people are mobile, but so too are many objects. So this 2, 3, 4, 5 is perfectly fine in terms of the order, and the answer is B. Number 15, GATE 2023. The population of a country increased by 5%. Let the population of the country in 2020 be 100. 2021. Population became 105. 2022, the population decreased by 5%. So 5% of this is basically 5.25. So this became 99.75. By what percentage did the population change from 2020 to 2022? From 100, it changed to 99.75. So that's a change of minus 0.25%. Answer is A. GATE, question number 16. The words thin, slim, slender are related in some way. They are basically saying the same thing in a more sophisticated manner. Thin is a very plain or a direct way. Slim is a little more positive way to say thin. Slender is a more positive way to say thin. So identify the correct options that reflect the same relationship. Definitely fair and dark are opposite, so this is not the answer. Tall, taller, tallest, no. Taller is not a better way of saying tall. Short, small, petite. This is one of the ways to say. Getting better. Fat. Plump is a better way to say fat. Voluptuous is a positive way to portray a plump or a fat person. So A and B both are correct. Answer is A and B.
Number 17. So this is a logical reasoning question and it's an MSQ question. So we have multiple answers. A pandemic-like situation hit the country last year, resulting in loss of human life and economic depression. To improve the condition, the government made a series of emergency medical interventions and increased the spending to revive the economy. In both these efforts, the district administration authorities are actively involved. Which of the following actions are plausible? In the future, the government can make district administration authorities responsible for protecting health of citizens and reviving the economy. So the district administration is already responsible, so this will not be the right answer. The government may set up a task force to review the post-pandemic situation and ascertain the effectiveness. This is possible. The government may set up a committee to formulate a pandemic management program to minimize losses. This is possible. The government may take population control measures to minimize pandemic-related losses. This is not really possible. So B and C are the probable answers.
GATE 2023, question number 18. 6 students, Arif, Balwinder, Chintu, David, Imon and Fulmoni appeared in the GATE XH exam in 2022. And then we have some information. Who scores the highest in B1? So I'm only concerned about B. Okay. So Balwinder scores less than Chintu, but more than Arif. So, okay. But more than Chintu in B1. David scores more than Chintu in B1. Okay. So definitely Chintu is not. Okay. Imon scores less than David, but more than Fulmoni in B1. So Fulmoni, Imon is also not the answer. The answer is directly David, but you also have to see the other things. Arif scores less than Imon, but more than Fulmoni in B1. Less than Imon, but more than Fulmoni. Arif is also somewhere in the middle. So this is about B. Obviously, the highest is David, but this is the entire scenario that we can see from here. The answer is C.
IIT GATE 2023, question number 19. Select the correct relationship between E and F, where x is greater than 1. Okay, x by 1 plus x, and this is minus x by 1 minus x. So F can be written as x by x minus 1, multiplying by minus 1 up and down. Okay, x by x minus 1. Now x and x minus 1 both are positive because x is greater than 1. Okay, now x minus 1 is less than x plus 1, that all of us know. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 will be greater than 1 by x plus 1. Basically cross multiplying, going this, getting it here, and this getting it the other side. Okay, then you multiply up by x. Since x is a positive number, the sign of the inequality remains intact. So x by x minus 1 is greater than x by x plus 1. Therefore F has to be greater than E. Therefore what the majority of you marked is absolutely correct. That is Bombay. Okay, so first we transform this F into this, and then we take a look at this inequality in this perspective, and we'll see that F will always be greater than E. Okay, you can also put in values and check. You'll see that F will always be greater than E. Okay, chalo, great. Now let's go into another question.
GATE 2023, question number 20. Vowels in the original word are replaced by the next vowel from the list of vowels. For example, E would be replaced by I, O would be replaced by U would be replaced by A. Consonants would be replaced by the previous. So T is replaced by S, because P, Q, R, S, T, R, S, and then T. So S, V is replaced by T, T, U, V. Okay. So T, U, V, because V has a vowel, so the first consonant before that. How does the word good morning appear in the coded language? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. F, O will be replaced by U. So F, U, U is only one option. Option C. This is the answer. I don't even have to check for